here.
You're scaring us.
They're babies. They're only 3 weeks old.
So you gotta go gentle.
You gotta go easy. The white one already comes out on your finger, but the yellow one, we just got in there. It's really nervous.
Look how beautiful.
See the little yellow one at the bottom? See it down there? And then the white one?
Yeah, I'm scared.
They're only 3 weeks old.
Oh my God!
Happy birthday. We'll be right back. We're going to get the pizza. Okay. And you didn't even know why I was holding all this bird stuff. The bird food, we got everything. Me and Jim. Jim was like, let's get her a dog. And then we both went, no.